Áiteanna, places. You need to be able to answer these questions. Cá raibh tú, where were you? Past tense. Bhí me sa, the name of the place. Cá bhfuil tú, where are you? Present tense. Tá me sa, and the name of the place. Play and pause this video as you move down the page. You must get out of your seats, do the actions, pretend you are in the actual place. Ar skull, sa bhaile, teach, sa fork, sa clós, sa gráiste, sa seapa, sa ghardín, sa bhanc, sa séipéal, sa chaisleán, sa bhaile mór, sa cathair, sa cafe, sa violin, sa leabharlinn, sa fictorlinn, sa teach ósta, san óstán, sa links náva, sa bhunscoil, sa bhanscoil, sa seomra ranga, sa seomra fórna, sa chiistin, sa hala, sa seomra sí, sa seomra culata, sa seomra fulca, sa leithreas, san airplinn, san airport, san oifig, san ospidéal, san ollscoil, san ullmhargaidh, san ionad siopadóireachta, san ionad spórt, san árasán, hús staire, hís staire, faoin staire, san oifig an phoist, stáisiún na Nardaí, stáisiún na Tránach, cearnóigh an bhaile, I barc an crócaigh, I nua amhrach, I mbaile átha clia, faoin tua, ar an bheirm, ar an mbóthar, ag an trá, ag an stad an bus, sailse tráchta, cúis farraige, cúis tine, I limnach, I gcorcaigh, I nallamh, I méal feiriste, I gildara, I nrithe nua, in éireann. In your answer, you don't always use sa. It can be bhí me ar an mbóthar, bhí me ag an trá, bhí me I limnach. So look at what word comes first here. That's the word you put in. The sa often creates a H and changes the sound. So BH, sa bhaile, PH, sa fork, an F sound, sa clós, BH again, sa bhanc, a V sound, PH has an F sound, sa fictorlinn, MH has a V sound, sa bhanscoil, and S doesn't take a H, it just stays as sa seomra ranga. When the word begins with a vowel, like airplane, instead of sa, it's san. So san airplane, san airport, because they begin with A, which is O is a vowel, so it's san oifig. I is a vowel, so it's san ionad siopadóireachta. I creates an aroo, so I barc an crócaigh. There should be an M there, I mbaile átha clia. The aroo depends on what the word starts with, so G to C, I gcorcaigh, N to G, I nallamh, M to B, I méal feiriste, N to D, I drithe nua, in éireann, because éireann begins with a vowel, E. Don't forget that these are the questions you need to be able to answer. Cá raibh tú, where were you? Cá bhfuil tú, where are you? Make sure you're getting out of your chairs and doing the actions for all of these.